Hello viewers, welcome back. I'm Dr. Maria and now I am going to show you how to design the building. We have already modeled the building and applied the load. Now I'm going to design it. For that, first of all, for the 2D member, I will generate the mesh. So for that, let's go to the analysis mode and then meshing. Here we are going to select the meshing option. Do you want? Yes, I want all the panels. So I can reduce the size of the meshing. Here I can use 1.5 or 1/5, whatever you want. Let's apply OK. Now, here in all the 2D members, the meshing will be generated. In this case, these are only the slabs, but you can also use it for the walls. So if there are walls, they will also be meshed when we will apply the meshing on it. Now again, go to analysis, meshing. Now I am going to generate the local mesh, then local mesh generation. You can see the local mesh has been generated. Again, go to the analysis mode and meshing. And from here, you can check the quality of mesh and then apply it. Now you can see uh, elements that do not meet the criteria. There is all the elements meet the criteria, and I have applied it. And now I am going to freeze this meshing. So again, going to the meshing, and now I will mesh freeze it. Now my mesh for all the panels, no panel selected, so I'm doing it for all. So all panels are freeze. Now I am going to the next step. Now I have created the meshes and these are the local mesh generation. For the better results, I can convert this local mesh into the global mesh. I will show you the method in another video. And for the time being, I am going to the next step, that is the calculation in the analysis. Let's go to the calculation. Now you can see the calculation is going on. You can see number of errors 0 and number of warnings are 0, and now I'm going to close it. After doing this, now we have calculated and there are some mesh generations. Now let's go to the results and check what's going on. So I can go to the diagram for the member and the maps. Maps will tell you the overall picture, and the diagram for the member will show you the different. Let's check for it for fx, fy, and fc forces. And let me apply this. You can see fx, fy, and fc. You can do one by one. And let me now apply the mx, my, mz on this. Let's apply it. Now you can see these are the moment diagrams. And similarly, you can go for the reaction diagram. And now I am going to deselect this and I'm going to the deformation section. Let's go for the deformation, nodal displacement. Let me apply it. You can see it, right? So whatever you want, you can find from here stresses. Let me select the bending S maximum moment, apply it. I'm going back to deformation. I'm going to deselect it, apply. I'm going to deselect it. Sorry, now I'm going to apply it. So again, I am going to the stresses. I'm going to the I want to deselect everything so that I can find whatever I want. So these are the deformation bending. You can see here the bending. Bending, you can also check the bending MY and you can apply it. You can see the bending MY in yellow colors. Bending S minimum. Here in green color, you can see that. Whatever you want to see, you can simply see that. Again, you can go for the reactions and everything. When we talk about the mapping, let me deselect everything so that I can have the simple picture. Let's go deformation, stresses, Corrections. Yes, you can also have find the reinforcement in parameter. But for the timing, let me check if there is some deformation left. Let me apply it. Now you can see there is no, because I have deselected everything. So you can see a fine picture again. Now again, go to the analysis and results, and you can see the different effects on the members. Let's suppose we are want to see the moments and then apply it. These are the moment diagram. You can see it. Let me make it more clear by dragging it. Control Z E. Oh my gosh. Let me zoom in. No. So zoom on. I found it again. And from again right click, zoom window. I'm going to make it bigger. This is window and this one. And now you can see these are the moments. If I want to check the stresses, I can just moment in members. I can apply these moments. You can see the results. If you want to check the stresses, again I will apply it. And after the calculation, you can see a new picture. You can see the shear forces, and I'm going to apply the shear forces. These are the shear forces. So everything you can get it from here. So moment